You clapped this rhyme at recess, but the bridge kept falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. For centuries, that part was true. In 1014, a Viking king attacked it. Old Norse poems recall the bridge collapsing. Fire took it, flood took it. Each time it rose again in stone. But builders feared stone alone wasn't enough. Old custom demanded something more. A bridge needed a soul beneath it. Legend says a body sealed the foundation. No record proves it. Builders believed it anyway. Build it up with iron and steel. Iron and steel will bend and bow. Only gold and silver, the rhyme insists. The real bridge needed neither. It needed a warning in plain sight. For centuries, executed heads lined its gate. Tar dipped so no one would forget. A children's game, keeping time with disaster. They sang this rhyme as they worked. You will hear it differently now. Tomorrow, another rhyme, another buried past.